Hello and welcome to the video tutorial where we explore just how easy it is to create a new account in your Salesforce org using Cirra AI, Claude, and Kugamon. So let's dive right in and explore this further together. If you're wanting to follow along, you will need a subscription to Cirra AI, a pro subscription to Claude, and a subscription to Kugamon. Once you have all these, you do need to log in, and once you are there, we're ready to go. Next, let's hop into the tab where we are logged into Claude and start to ask our question. If you don't see this screen on your end, you can just click on the plus button to open a new chat. Now within the question field, I'm going to ask, do we have an account for Starbucks? Okay, and you should see a similar process going on your end. And if you happen to use the same example and asked if you have a Starbucks account in your own Salesforce org and you don't have one already, you're going to see the same results here. So it's saying, no, there isn't one. Do we want it to create one for us? So now let's reply with create an account for Starbucks using the legal name and company headquarters address. So we do want all of the accounts to be actually using the legal name. So that's why we just want it to be specific. And now we can see Claude is creating that Salesforce account for us. Okay, so here is the summary. You should see a similar summary on your end. But now let's actually test it out. So let's hop into the tab where you are logged into your Salesforce org. And then let's click to open accounts. And either you're going to see Starbucks right away, like you see here on my screen, or you will need to swap your view to all accounts. But let's click to open Starbucks. And now on the account record, let's scroll down. So we can see the account name is Starbucks Corporation. The billing address and shipping address have been filled out. And we know that this is a newly created account because of the date and the time stamp. And that is how easy it is to create a new account in Salesforce using Cirra AI, Claude, and Kugamon. Now, if you have any questions about any of these steps, feel free to send us your inquiry directly within the comments below, or if necessary, reach out to the appropriate support team at Cirra AI, Claude, or Kugamon. But did you want to learn more? Take a look at the 2 helpful video tutorials below.